Hi guys, welcome to this video lecture. In this video, we're going to be looking at multiplication of number-based systems. So in our previous classes, we've looked at addition of number-based systems, subtraction of number-based system. Now we're going to be looking at multiplication of number-based system. So it is very important to consider the base of the numbers you're multiplying while multiplying the number bases. So let's look at these two simple questions as a guide on how to multiply number-based systems. So the first one we have here, we are working with numbers in base 4. That's the first thing you need to observe. So we have 213 base 4 multiplied by 21 base 4. Okay. So when you are multiplying numbers in a particular base, you must ensure that the products of the numbers you multiply must not be bigger than the base that you are working with. So here we are working with base 4. So when we multiply, our answer should not be bigger than 4. So 1 multiplied by 3 is going to give us 3. 3 is not bigger than 4, so we are okay. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. And 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. So now we go to 2. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. But 6 is bigger than 4. So this means 6 base 4 is not correct. That means we have to convert it to the accurate way of representing numbers in base 4. Why is 6 base 4 not correct? 6 is a number bigger than 4. Therefore, it cannot be among numbers in base 4. So 6 divided by 4 is going to give us 1. And what will be the remainder when 6 is divided by 4? Our answer is 2. So the equivalent of 6 base 4 is 12 base 4. So in this particular case, we are going to write down 2 and bring 1 to this point. Okay? So 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 plus 1, 3. So we have 3 here. Next, we have 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. And base 4 numbers cannot include 4. Therefore, we have to convert 4 base 4 to the accurate form. 4 divided by 4 is going to give us 1. Will there be a remainder? There will be no remainder. So the remainder will be 0. This means 4 base 4 is equal to 10 base 4. So over here, we're going to have 10. Okay, so we are done with multiplication. We need to add these values. Also, when you're adding the values, your answer should not be up to 4. It should be 4. It should be less than 4. So we have 3 plus nothing, we have 3. 1 plus 2, we have 3. 2 plus 3, we have 5. But 5 base 4 is not correct. So we have to convert it to the appropriate way. So 5 divided by 4 will give us 1. Will there be a remainder? Yes, the remainder will be 1. So this means 5 base 4 is equal to 11 base 4. So here we are going to write 1 and bring 1 over here. So 1 plus 0 will give us 1. And nothing plus 1 will give us 1. So our answer will be 11133 base 4. So that becomes our answer in base 4. Very simple. So let's look at the second question. B, we have 1, 0, 1, 1 base 2 multiplied by 1, 1 base 2. So this is quite simple. Let's look at it. 1 multiplied by 1, 1. 1 multiplied by 1, 1. 1 multiplied by 0, 0. 1 multiplied by 1, 1. So in multiplication, we do not have any issue because the number is not up to 2. 1 multiplied by 1 gives us 1. 1 multiplied by 1 gives us 1. 1 multiplied by 0 gives us 0. And 1 multiplied by 1 gives us 1. So we are done with multiplication. Now we can add the values together. So 1 multiplied by nothing, 1. 1 multiplied by 1, we know that it is 2, but you cannot have 2 base 2. So 2 base 2 is not correct because the values in base 2 cannot include 2. So we have to convert it to the appropriate form. 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. Will there be a remainder? No remainder. So we have 0 base 2. So 2 base 2 is the same thing as 10 base 2. So we write down 0 and bring 1 this way. 1 plus 0 gives us 1, plus 1 gives us 2. We already know that 2 base 2 is equal to 10, so write 0 and bring 1 this way. 1 plus 1 gives us 2, plus 0 gives us 2, and 2 base 2 is equal to 10 base 2, so write down 0 and bring 1 this way. And finally, 1 plus 1 gives us 10. So since there is no other column in front of them, we write down 10. So this our answer is in base 2. Very simple. So this is a simple way of multiplying number-based systems. So you must ensure that when you multiply two numbers, if the number is bigger than the number base you're working with, you have to reduce it to the correct form before writing it down. If you understood the lecture, I'd like you to do this classwork and leave your answer in the comment section. Simplify 2, 3, 5 base 6 multiply by 1, 2 base 6. Okay, so I'd like to see your answer to this simple question in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more maths content. See you in the next video. Bye.